Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Canva account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a business card in Canva for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a business card with your Canva account for free anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. Even if you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you have to meet with clients or go to events, so it's important to have a business card available with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the homepage. It's going to show all of your recent designs. Now, one thing I want to let you know is that Canva has a lot of templates that are available for free. However, some templates you do need to pay for and upgrade to Pro. But for this video, we're going to quickly add one together, and I promise you it's going to look really stunning and professional. So here on the homepage, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the search bar right here, and we're just going to type in business card. Okay. So once you type in business card, it's going to show you a lot of business card templates, and you can see some of these people are really creative. So like, for example, this one is nice and it's free. If you look down here, this one is not free. So you can see it has a little crown next to it. So all you want to do is just kind of scroll through and then see which one fits with your brand. And you can also add in extra words. So we typed in business card, but maybe we want to do business card nails. All right. So now these ones are more geared towards nail salon. Now don't restrict yourself to only getting real estate business cards or only nail business card, because the fact of the matter is sometimes if it's in a different industry, it could still work for whatever it is that you're doing. So for example, this is a nail artist, but if you were some sort of maybe psychic, you could use this one. So just scroll through until you find one that looks good to you. Also, this is just the base. So we're going to be able to edit this. So this one looks pretty cool. Let me go ahead and choose this one. Okay. So yeah, I like this one. This looks clean and professional. So let me go ahead and customize this template. Okay. So here we are in the editor. So we can go ahead and start making changes in this. So for me personally, I like to have my picture on it. So what we're going to do first is click on elements here on the left. And then instead of just dragging in a picture, so it's going to be kind of covering things up, what I'll normally do is I'll go ahead and just scroll down until you see frames and then click on see all. Okay. So this is basically going to be the border for our picture. So let's see here. This one looks pretty cool. So I'm going to grab this and just drag it right on over. And then maybe we'll put it right here, right in the middle of the O. Okay. Once you've done that, then you want to click on uploads here on the left. Okay. So here you can go ahead and take one of the pictures that you already have of yourself and just drag it in. If you don't have the picture, you can go ahead and upload right here directly from your computer. Once it's uploaded into your Canva, it's going to show up right here. And all you're going to do is just grab your picture and just drag it right over the frame. And as you can see, it's pretty cool because it just resizes it immediately. Now you can see my picture is covering up the words. So we want to put that into the back. So I'm going to right click here, and then I'm going to hover over layer, and then I'm going to send it backwards. So now you can see the writing is over it. Now, my name is not Olivia, so that's okay. We're going to go ahead and just click on the Olivia box. So you can see there is the purple outline on it. So I'm going to triple click on it, and I'm just going to go ahead and just type my name, Anthony. And as you can see, it's pretty cool. Okay, so it came out a little big, so we're going to need to shrink that down a little bit, right? So it's still giving me those red lines, so it's too big because my name is much longer than Olivia, but that's okay. We're just going to go ahead and keep shrinking it down. Okay, now it's too small. So let me go ahead and increase this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move it around. So A will drop down here, and it's still a little bit small still. So let me go ahead and increase this so it looks more like the template. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but that looks pretty cool. So then what we're going to do now is I'm not working in a nail salon. So I'm going to go ahead and click in here. Okay. And maybe I'll put the name of my channel. Okay. Now you can see that line. It's actually covering my name. So I'll just grab this and move it up a little bit. Okay. That looks pretty good, but let me go ahead and grab my image. I'll realign that so that crosses right over my face. So I need to change that. Okay. So I got my picture right here, and then I'm going to drag this back over. Okay. That looks pretty cool. Okay. It looks kind of cool. And then what we're going to do is we're going to work on the backside now. So down here on the bottom, click on the backside. So page 2, and then I'm going to change this. Okay. And you can see the line is there. So I need to drag this up a little bit. So you can see it's pretty easy. It's just like setting up a Facebook page basically. All right. And then I can add in whatever information I want there, or I can just go ahead and completely delete that box. So right click on this, and then I'm going to delete that. Same thing right here. Delete that. Maybe I'll just go ahead and put a quote here. Okay. You miss every shot you don't take. Okay, so that looks pretty cool to me. I mean, that's kind of my style, but yours is going to be definitely a lot different. You can go ahead and add a website. You can add your Instagram handle. If you want to add features into here, you can go ahead and go right here on the left. Once you're here on the left, you can go ahead and maybe add in more elements or a text. So if you want to add a text box, you can go ahead and add that in there. And then once you get that text box, you can go ahead and move that around and then just do the same thing. Okay, call me babe. You can go ahead and use the draw feature. So, all right, so now it's looking pretty good. All right, so once you're finished, what you're going to do is you can go ahead and name this. So Money Anthony business card. All right. So the cool thing about Canva is you can print directly with them by clicking here. But if you just simply want to go ahead and save this, click on share, and you're going to download right here. Okay, here you can go ahead and choose the file type. So wherever you're going to get this printed off at, you want to ask them what type of file they prefer. So PDF, JPG, PNG, whatever it is, go ahead and just select it. And then you want to go ahead and click download, and it's going to save to your computer, and then you can send it off to your printer. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a business card for free inside of your Canva, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.